Presenting the low-height 300 vertical baler from MACFAB. An easy-to-install low-profile baler to reduce your waste volumes. The LH300 is available in both galvanized and standard painted finishes. This baler can compact a wide variety of material, such as cardboard boxes, paper, F.I.B.C bags, and plastic foil. The LH300 has clear and easy-to-use controls. An hour counter is included to track machine usage and servicing. Retainers help hold material into place during the compaction process. The LH300 has a 2.2 kilowatt, 220 volt single-phase power supply as standard, but other power supplies are available. The power unit is equipped with low noise components, giving a low dB rating. Before using the baler, the operator must fully read and understand all points of safety when using the machinery. To operate the L300 baler, first set up the strapping rolls at the back of the baler. Next, use the hand release wheel to unlock the door, then open fully. Tie a loop at the end of each strap. Next, fasten the straps into position at the base of the baler. Use the hook provided to push the strapping into their slots. Load the baler with waste material through the top door. Close the door and press the green button to run a compaction cycle. Repeat the loading and compaction cycles until the baleful light illuminates. To eject the bale, you must open the doors using the hand release wheel. The door must be open 90 degrees or greater to eject the bale. Using the hook, pull the straps through the slots in the compaction plate. Make sure there is enough length to tie both ends of the strap together. Cut each strap and tightly tie together as shown. Position a pallet in front of the bale. Next, the operator presses and holds the eject buttons to safely eject the bale.